Hey guys, it's me Brooke. So today I'm going to be making slime. So yeah, let's get started. So I've already poured glue in here. I poured clear glue.
Eventually, one of the boys would have said something.
Now I'm going to put black in because I want a black clear slime.
Not yet.
So
on the table. But the tags are there in case.
trying to get it out. If it'll come
I might
out.
try again next weekend.
Put it on him.
Be like, you want your shirt?
I'm going to mix this black in.
Brooke, did you get your other school pictures yet?
No ma'am. I'm making a video, by the way.
That's weird.
So I'm mixing the black in to the glue. So it's like black sparkly, guys. So I'm mixing it up right now, and okay. Oh, I can't get it. I'm trying to mix it. Don't think there was enough black. No, my clear. My thing dropped in there. It's okay though. Yes, I got more black. Guys, I got more black out. And it doesn't really matter if it gets on my skin because I'm going to have to knead it anyways and it'll eventually come off. So, come on. I need more black.
I'll wear her little tennis shoes today.
Don't wear them, they're too little. I'm sure.
Yeah, they're too little on me. Those fit you, Nana?
Yeah, I got plenty of room.
Wow.
Oh, your Converse and slipper off the car.
Oh, you got them?
Okay, now I'm going to activate it. 'Cause that's the most black I'm going to get out of there, so guys.
Oh,
So, I'm mixing it up, guys.
yeah, they're drying.
Woo! Okay, guys, so I'm mixing it up. I can wear my pink ones now. Okay, guys. So, guys, I'm trying to activate it. Come on, slime, activate, please. I might could add some more glue, guys.
Well,
I don't want to, but I could.
better than me.
So, guys, I'm trying to mix it up. Oh, goodness, my arm hurts. Okay, I need more. I sound like Purple Banana 25. She says my arm hurts. Hashtag Hannah. Ooh, my arm hurts. Guys, it hurts. It takes so much stirring, though. I get her. I get Hannah. Whew. I get her. Oh, God. Guys. Okay. Cannot make this activate. Okay.
Well, that kind of made me feel better that
She's like,
I still got this on my mind. And
Yeah.
I've made a terrible mistake.
Okay.
They're giving her a lot of personality, which is awesome.
instead of,
It's not enough activator.
that's right.
It's like more of a grayish kind of because I don't know. I think it'll be black in a few days though. Or it'll stay this color. It's a pretty color actually.
She does have a lot going on for her.
was my mom, guys.
Or what?
Not a
I
predator.
heard something
Just
else.
kidding. It's my mom.
It's not home.
You left it out in the car, I think.
I did?
I don't know. I said I think. You could have left it out in the car because you.
Is my phone sitting in there, Mom? I don't see it.
Were you just on the phone though? So, situation. Did you know Purple Banana 25 makes her slime on a squishy container? Fact of the day. There's my Nana in the background. You can see her. She's beautiful. See that curly hair? I don't think her hair is naturally curly. Nana? Nana,
What?
is your hair naturally curly?
Mm-mm.
Her hair is naturally not curly at all. Her hair is naturally straight. You can see her face now. Say hi, Nana. Tell him hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Mom. Mommy, say hi to YouTube.
Hello. I did kind of when I saw all of them.
Oh, you did?
Well,
Okay.
you said this is Mama.
Oh. Well, you are, aren't you?
I don't even think I got mine out.
Ooh,
Come on. Let me go look. There it is on the candy.
Oh, it isn't.
I didn't look up there.
Oh. For some reason I thought it was yours because my case is off.
So right now I'm getting this slime off my hands. So I think I'm finally done, but I'm not for sure. Okay. I think I'm done with this slime. And the reason I already had glue in my bowl, if you're wondering, it's because I did shoot a part 1. I did have a part 1, but I messed up, so I had to reshoot the video, like restart. So yeah. It's so cool. I think I'm going to add more paint because I know there's more in there. I just
No.
cannot get it out. Okay. I'm putting it on my finger. See, I'm getting it. Okay, guys. So, I'm trying to get it.
My case is off because when it's charging and the baby's on it, he pushes it. First, she can't get over it.
Oh, I'm
It's
sorry.
alright.
So-
It doesn't matter where she's
Okay, so I'm mixing the paint in.
always.
Now I'm mixing the
You know,
I'm mixing the paint in now.
used to it. Do what
Alright,
now?
that's her ship. She can buy that. Or, well, she'll-
About the baby?
Oh. Whenever my phone is, he needs to plug it up. When he does, the way he holds it, he pushes the case and it unplugs it.
Oh,
I figured out that's why it don't charge while
yeah.
Watching.
he kind of pushes it all off.
Oh.
So
That's just for-
I'm done with the slime. It's more of like a metallic. I don't know why, but when I make clear slime and add color, it's more of a metallic. So say I added yellow, which it looks more of gold. Say I added that yellow, it would be like more of a metallic yellowish goldish. So that would be awesome. Here it is. It's pretty good slime. Let's get a container now. I'm gonna have to move the camera because the camera is in the way.
But do you know how many times I've applied for holder and they never call me?
Oh, this.
And guys,
Your luck.
so there's this hole and the camera is looking through that hole. What? That's cool.
Maybe
So I'm getting a container.
as long as this comes in the door,
I think it'll fit
Yeah.
in here.
they
So let's try. Huh. It does.
you know, told me like this isn't without
Okay.
position, but are you
So-
interested in it?
Yeah.
So I need to get the lid now. Perfect. So there's another slime to add to my collection, which is pretty big. It's a pretty big collection. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Well, no.
Bye.